अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूवर्स। आज हम करेंगे सेकेंड ईयर का सवाल। 12वीं क्लास कंप्यूटर इम्पोर्टेंट लॉन्ग है। Briefly describe the basis data distribution strategy. Many organizations are using the distribution computer network nowadays. The organization face a significant problem in a physical database design. These problems that they have to decide the select nodes and sites in a network which data will be located physically. And the basis data distribution strategy as follow: पहले centralization, फिर partitional, फिर replicated, ते आखिरी hybrids। हम इनकी डेफिनेशन पढ़ लेते हैं। In this strategy, all data is located at a single site. It is simple and easy to conduct. This strategy has three disadvantages. इसके अंदर 3 disadvantages हैं। Data stored at remote site in accessibility readily. The communication cost may be very high. The database system fail totally when the central system fail. Partitioned. In this strategy, database is divided into partitioned fragment. Each partition assigned to a particular site. The major of this strategy data is move closer to local user. The data become more easily accessible. जो 4 number पे वो replicated. In this strategy, the full copy of the data is assigned to more than one site in the network. The strategy maximize local access. और लास्ट नंबर पे hybrids. In this strategy, the database is divided into critical and non-critical fragments. The critical fragments are stored on multiple sites. The non-critical fragments are at one site. व्यूअर्स, ये है कंप्यूटर का 12वीं क्लास का लॉन्ग सवाल है तीसरे चैप्टर में से। अगर आप ये कर लेंगे तो बहुत उम्मीद है ये लॉन्ग आ जाए, क्योंकि ये बहुत बार पेपरों में रिपीट हो चुका है लॉन्ग सवाल। मैंने मेहनत करके आपके लिए बनाया है, तो ये याद कर लें और मुझे सपोर्ट करें। मेरे चैनल को लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर करें। थैंक यू। अल्लाह हाफिज़।